Yo, what's going on, everybody? Thanks for clicking on the video. As you can see from the title of the video, I'm out here car camping for the first time. It's a BLM land called Giant Rock, and it's literally just a giant rock. Look at that big ass rock.
Destination is on the left.
Here is my Honda Element. Finally got her out here. This is my first time car camping, so it's gonna be pretty fun, interesting. I'll take you guys along with me. So my dog Otto keeps going up in here. This is kind of like a crazy little cave. Oh shit. What the fuck? It does smell like piss and shit in here, not gonna lie. So I'm gonna get out of there. Stumble along a dead body or something. Pretty sure people have came up here. How would you even get here? This is nice, man. It's like 3 or 4-ish. I haven't eaten all day, so I'm gonna head back to the car and throw something on the stove. Bro, this is so good. You know, one of the best things about this trip had to have been just having my dog off leash. You know, I never really get to experience that. He never really gets to experience that. So just being out in the open, not being constricted by gates and, you know, a bunch of rules and leash rules, and, you know, it was just great. Felt like a complete weight off the shoulders, not having to hold his leash and worry about where he is, where he's going. I definitely worried about where he was, you know, but it was just great. You know, he never steered too far. He never veered too far. He was always within eye distance of me. Whenever I called him, he came back. He was great, honestly. You know, I think what motivated him, my theory is that him being a pack animal, dogs are pack animals, his motivation was staying with the pack, you know, especially it being just us out in the open, out in nature. Yeah, he's just wanted to stay with the pack. You know, we're a 2-pack crew right now. So, it was great to see. I loved it, honestly. I'm sure he enjoyed it just as much. You guys, so I just found this fucking snake. Or Otto found this snake. Look at this. See you guys in the morning. All right, guys, just stopping to make some food, have some breakfast before I head home. But overall, this weekend, little day and a half trip, definitely looking forward to traveling more places and seeing more things, taking my car places, taking myself more places. Yeah, it was a sweet time, for real. See you guys on the next one. Peace.